Alright, here we got a 2007 Honda Pilot, and today we're replacing the bulbs and the right rear here. The turn light and the stop light, I guess they both went out, so we're going to replace those. Pretty simple. You got two bolts right here, screws. Actually just take those out right here, pretty simple, not too difficult. Take a Phillips head here and just undo these. Alright, I think it should come out. Oh, there we go. Okay. They actually got two little pins in here that go on right there, and you have to jimmy it out pretty good, so don't, give it a good little tug and then they'll finally come out. So, got one dropped here. So you got the two lights right here, and I already took one out here. The replacement bulb is just a 7443, exact same thing that came in, and so you can just pick those up wherever. Let's see if it'll even show it. There you go, 7443, perfect. We'll just stick those in here, and then you're good to go. Pretty simple. And then you just to get these out, you just give a counterclockwise turn. Oh, come on. It's more difficult with one hand. And those will come out. And then just replace them, turn back in, and do the opposite, and you're good to go. So once again, it's 2007 Honda Pilot. Rear light bulbs for the turn signal and the stop brake replacement.